Hello family, welcome back to the channel. Remember to subscribe, sit back, relax, have a laugh. Yes, can put on my service now. Let's see what's the latest on social media. Insufficient funds. That net, me not just put on $3,000 credit. That network you are the most thiefiness network in Jamaica. No. My credit can't go so. Today them are gonna know my name. Them are gonna know about me today.
Not so fast, young grasshopper.
How are you, boss?
Before you call customer service, you must master the martial arts technique.
First of all, patience is one thing me not have. Listen more.
Learn patience. You must treat whole community with good.
You smoke rum. Brethren, suppose that did happen to you.
Come on, that now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
What did you say?
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
You must learn how of tolerance.
Man, tolerance, that is one thing me have in abundance. How much tolerance me have? Me could have opened a wholesale named Tolerance Wholesale and sell tolerance $100 dozen. At the end of the day, me still have tolerance less. There is nothing you can say or do to me that would allow me to lose my composure. You hear that?
You are very. A few moments later. Very. Okay.
Like your parents.
Tolerance.
Us. Sa. Ah. Ah.
You know technique that you must have before calling customer service is not. Photoshop and fire. $1,000. Ready.
Me? Me tell you say the network eat off $3,000 credit off on my phone. Me not buying any more. If you think you're bad, if you really think you are bad man, come back to me again. Come BAX. Yes. You know what? Just make one straw and a ear off of your head. Touch me. And you're going to see how water go a pumpkin belly. Man, you can't take a little joke, man. Here is the $1,000 to buy the credit. Don't just buy $1,000, man. You can buy $2,000 credit and keep the change. We brothers, buy yourself a drink. And you see ice? Shiny ice. You see nose? Shiny nose. Yeah, man. We brothers, okay? Thank you for watching this video, family. We really appreciate you. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, like, share, leave a comment. Yeah, man. Until next time, see you in the video. God bless, God keep, God watch all of Uno. Yeah, big up on yourself. Enough love, enough respect.